The new interchanges at Kaley Avenue and Michigan Street have been redesigned to streamline traffic flow, helping reduce congestion and accommodate added capacity at these locations. The two interchanges will now work together, with ramps braided over each other to eliminate vehicles weaving between the interchange's exit and entrance ramps, which will help reduce crashes. This innovative new interchange design has been built at Kaley and Michigan Streets and is called a Texas U-turn. Drivers heading eastbound on I-4 who want to get to Kaley Avenue or Michigan Street will exit just past Michigan. This ramp will take drivers to Kaley Avenue. To reach Michigan Street, drivers will take the same exit off I-4 and utilize the Texas U-turn underneath I-4 that connects to Michigan via a one-way, free-flowing frontage road. Be sure to pay close attention to the signs in this area, as some GPS devices may not yet be updated. For more information about the interchanges at I-4 and Kaley Avenue and Michigan Street and the entire I-4 Ultimate project, visit i4ultimate.com.